I am your host Akhil, and today I will teach you React with Talent. Okay, both are framework, and one used for develop your front end, and another used for designing. And it will help you to design your UI very fast, easy, and responsive, using less custom CSS to maintain. And first, we have to check React uh, version or node version. Check for use command node hyphen v. And another thing I have to check and node npm nodes package manager npm hyphen v. And then we use npm at create for creating your uh, React project latest latest, or you can write React tip. Okay, React tip. React element. Okay, this is your project structure, and it will ask some question. Package name React into. Select your frameworks React, because we have to set our React tailwind in React, and then we have to check as variant. Always choose JavaScript plus React compiler. It will help you easy it to use, and which linter to use ESN and install npm start. Yes, and our React will just set up, and React project will completely set up. And after that, we have to do something, and we have to change directly to React tail directly. We are in React directory. Directory means folder. That's why we are changing to React tail after completing the installation, and then we will switch to React tail, and everything will here starting downloading, and the server started and started in 51 localhost 5173. Okay, wait a while, it will generate, or switch to next. Okay, allow JavaScript welcome, allow, and okay, and this is our localhost control, and here link open. Wait a while, I get started. Okay, we can change these things very easily, and for example, uh, we either get started. Okay, hey, this is okay, and we are running React tell say, and then we go to our search. Hey, this is a field, and we are learning React talent, and we don't need to write a CSS in different fonts. So you can see index. This is for uh, cleaning, and index name this thing, and here you React working, but index CSS we remove. That's why not so. We can. I will explain you with a good example where you can very easily write your code and set up. First, we have to set up Control C for exit from, and we have to change directly to React. We are now in React. Now npm run day for run React project. We use npm run that command, and then link open, network history. That's it. It's Okay, yeah, yeah, it is done. That's all. And now we are set up. Now we are set up our tailwind very easily. And that everything set up now. Now we have to set up uh, our tailwind. First, use npm. Now we are using npx tailwind css in it, and it will install your tailwind css cards and prefixes. Also, we have to install npm tailwind css init hyphen p for downloading our prefixes, post css something. And another thing we have to last install command npm install hyphen d capital D also prefixes. Okay, and post css. After these things, everything done here, and we have to write only some code in index, remove all code, and write at the rate tailwind, tailwind base. Okay, enter at the rate tailwind components. Enter ut with these. Okay, all done there. Uh, add mm, in tailwind config ds, we have to add content something for our uh, setup dot index dot html. Okay, and another thing we have to write what dot src class forward setup statistics, sorry, statistics yes, statistics dot js ts JSX TSX. Here we all done. Now only things we have to write and write our code. Okay, okay. Everything done here. App.js. We have to write RFCE. Okay. Here our while generated using shortcut key RFCE, and then now we have to write another things for um, class name, uh, background background color red bg red, sorry, bg bg black. Okay, name hi Tavish, hi. We run this, okay, run there, run. Yeah, here our uh, it got black. Yet mm, text color, text, text white, margin empty, margin top 10. Okay, here you don't need to write your whole code or anything. uh, okay, we have to margin. We write margin left 10. Okay, okay, margin 10. And our tailwind setup completely done. And only things we have to use npm create latest. We have to create a white at the latest and project name. After completing your project done setup, you have to change directory. See, after changing directory, you will change directory and then install few commands. I will say then after all the things, your setups will done. This is not looking very good. Background black, margin, padding. Okay, padding top and padding left. Okay, padding top, padding left. Okay. Mm. Now your React tailwind setups already done and everything done. And please go through. Okay, I will share, give some notes about that. Txt. Okay. First, you have to create project. npm npm install npm create white at the latest. This project name. Project name. उसके बाद you have to install npm init hyphen y and npm install npm install hyphen d tailwind css at the rate. Okay. Another thing npx tailwind css hyphen p npm install hyphen d auto post css. Okay. Only these things you have to download and write setup in index. You have to write at the red tailwind base component and in get tailwind config. You have to write only these things. And then your tailwind React setups done. Now you can write read what you want easily in your laptop and this is all about React Tailwind CSS setup and thank you for watching and I will share more and more things to set up and installing. That's all. Thank you for watching.